Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol COHN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, quite the eventful day on this one, not only from the price action standpoint, but you look down there at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one moving forward, and so I want to map out a couple of areas of support and resistance here. But I mean, the chart is not looking very good at all. Now, to be fair, that last 30 minutes right there made things extremely interesting. At that point, it made more than enough sense to say, oh, wow, the volume returned very strong. You can see the price was just absolutely booming. So at that point, it made more than enough sense to say, okay, looking like things are starting, maybe things is a new breakout coming? What's going on? And then the last 30 minutes showed up and boom, basically that entire green candle was wiped away. And now it's a very valid question of, is there going to be further bearishness and the kind of the confirmation that the bears are back in full control, at least in my opinion, right there around 33.75. And I'm not saying this will occur, but if the price were to come down to 33.75 and break down below that level, what is that doing to the price? That's literally putting the price basically into this massive no man's land where there just simply aren't any other data points that suggest levels of support. Now, I'm not saying that if it falls below there, it's going to automatically go down there and close the gap. I'm just saying that it puts the price in a very sketchy territory because there just isn't any other data that you could use or suggest could be an area of support. And that would also be confirmation that this 30-minute plunge right here just got more bearishness as more and more people gave up from it. Because, yeah, think about it. It was going great, and then for the price to behave like that, and then to have it come down here and then break down through 33.75, that's a whole lot of bearishness occurring. However, to be fair, maybe this 30 minutes is just kind of a faulty data point here, and the things are going to turn right back around. And if that occurs, then that main area of resistance to watch very closely going to be right there at $45. So overall, pretty sketchy looking chart, but we'll see how things play out on Thursday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.